improper turns are going on over here. You can't make a left from the right lane. Another one. Look, let me join the bandwagon. Another one. Just keep on. And now there's traffic back because everybody's trying to look. Now look at the traffic they're causing. Now there's traffic. Now I'm blocked. Look at this. Look at this. Another one. That triple. That's crazy. What's that? NYPD tow truck? Throw their asses out of here. Every bit of one of them. All the mess they cause. Look at this. Crazy. Look, still backed up. Can't make this up. Your DashCam YouTube. Subscribe. Look, now I get blocked. Look at this. Jesus, man. New York driving.